How can you offer items with a level of luxurious quality that buyers can literally feel? Simple, by adding texture designs that help you get rich stitch by stitch. That's right, embroidery has officially hit the Printify catalog, and so has your chance to enter a market worth almost $3 billion. So in this video, I'll explain how to get your design stitched onto products using our platform, plus the crucial design tips you need to know to avoid costly mistakes. Let's get started. Whether you're used to it being done by hand or with specialized equipment, embroidery has definitely come a long way since your grandma's sewing machine. In fact, today's machines use a faster and more accurate computerized process. Instead of just one, they contain 14 separate needles, each with its own thread color, and use specialized stitch files that tell each needle exactly where to sew. These stitch files are made by converting regular design files to a format the machine can use. It's an important process known as digitization, which I'll talk more about in a bit. Of course, the benefits of embroidery don't just end at smarter machinery. Embroidered designs are also incredibly durable and maintain their quality over many washes. Tight stitching not only stays resistant to damage, it's also flexible and works with many fabrics. Plus, its textured look and feel gives items a sense of sophistication and authority. Think about it. Anytime you see embroidery on a product, it just feels more official, doesn't it? Especially when it comes to items like sports apparel, uniforms, and more. This increased sense of value is what people pay for, even if it means spending a little extra, allowing you to list embroidered products with higher margins for even higher profits. And with the global embroidery market expected to hit almost $6 billion by 2030, mixing up your listings by offering luxurious embroidered products is just good business. Especially now that Printify has made it even easier to take your designs from digitization to fulfillment. Here's how it works. Converting a design into a stitch file used to be a time-consuming and difficult process. It meant using complicated tools that didn't always guarantee the results you wanted, costing you expensive reprints and customer satisfaction. This digitization is what held many sellers back from even offering embroidered items at all. You could say it was a tricky situation until we made it a lot easier. Now, as soon as you add a design to an item that offers embroidery in our product creator, we'll digitize it for you right on Printify within 24 hours. Once finished, you'll be notified immediately through your My Products page. You can also track the digitization progress on the order details page under Pre-Production. If an order is made with a design that isn't suitable for embroidery and cannot be digitized, that order will be placed on hold, giving you time to fix any issues before sending it to production. Be careful though, a design cannot be edited while it's being digitized, meaning any changes you make will cause the process to start all over again. However, as long as it's for the same type of product, a design only needs to be digitized once. Of course, the best way to avoid any digitization issues is to design smart right from the start. And for the latest design advice to help you create irresistible products, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. For now, here are some tips for creating high-quality embroidery designs that digitize every time. Unlike printers that use ink, embroidery machines rely on colored threads. Most machines can also only hold a limited number of thread colors, which can't be blended into one another to make more colors the same way that ink can. That's why embroidered designs need to follow certain guidelines to look their best, like only using colors in your design that are supported by the machine and avoiding gradients at all costs by going with solid colors or shapes. If you're creating a text design, use thicker fonts without any inside gaps or negative space. Anything super detailed with thin lines to create a distressed or textured look is also a bad idea, especially photographs. Basically, keep your design as simple as possible. But if you feel like all of this is too much to remember, we can help with that too. For starters, give this video a like so you can come back to it later if you need to. Then, after selecting an embroidered product from our catalog, click the Information button in the product creator to view its design guidelines. You can also check out the article we've linked in the description to learn more. From dimensions to color codes, it'll give you all the information you need before creating your next best-selling design. Enjoy embroidery on demand with the world's most loved POD platform. From digital transfer to fulfillment and delivery, we manage it all, leaving you more time to run your business and reap the rewards. Check out our new catalog of embroidery products now at Printify.com.